Hi guys! So today, and actually the rest of this week, we're going to be doing our moon lessons on Seesaw because I'll be meeting with all of you every day in small groups. So I thought you could do this at your own pace. Last week we learned about the sun, and today and this week we're going to learn about the moon. And what we're going to think about today is, what do you do when the moon is out? So you know how we say the sun is up? We say the moon is out. We don't say the moon is up. It's out. It's funny how our language works that way. I'm going to read you a few pages of this, and then I'm going to show you a mini book that I have that you also have, and then there's going to be a song called Moon, 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 and I love that song so much. Look up, look up, look up. It's me, Moon. I'm Earth's best friend. Where Earth goes, I go. We have been together since the beginning, almost. Let me tell you our story. Once upon a time. About 45 billion years ago, let me go this way, a space rock the size of Mars crashed into baby Earth. Big old mess. Pieces of rock, chunks of Earth, and even lava were blasted into space. The trash came together to make me a satellite. A satellite is something that orbits, that goes around. So there are man-made satellites, and then there's the moon. Actually, Earth's only natural satellite. Natural, not created by Earthlings. Satellite. I circle Earth. She has thousands of human-made satellites too. They're mostly metal and plastic. Not exactly best friend material. Guess that makes me Earth's #1 sidekick. It takes me 27.3 days to go around the Earth. It also takes me 27.3 days to spin once. Coincidence? I think not. Means I'm dependable. My face always smiles at Earth. You never see my backside. That's silly. You probably noticed I look different every night. Check out my phases. We're going to do a lesson about the phases of the moon later this week. So we have, let's see, where's the full moon? Full moon. And then waning means that it's getting smaller. And then last quarter, waning crescent moon. That's kind of a moon that we all think of when we think of the moon, that or the full moon. And then the new moon you don't even see, and then it starts to get bigger. So when it wanes, it gets smaller. When it waxes, it gets bigger. Waxing crescent, waxing quarter, waxing gibbous, and then the full moon. And then it goes around and around. Some other planets have best friends too. I am Moon, but I'm not the only moon in the solar system. So the other planets have moons too. I'll always be Earth's pal, but that doesn't mean we're twinsies. She's bigger than me, and her gravity is 6 times stronger. Gravity is the invisible force that makes an apple fall to the ground instead of flying to the sky. Earth has cows and nursery rhymes starring cows. But a cow has never jumped over me. I'm too far away for even a kangaroo to make them leap. Average distance between the Earth and me is 238,855 miles. You could fit 30 Earths in that distance and probably a gazillion cows. BFFs help each other out. I keep Earth from being too wobbly. This might be the best important thing I do, and you probably didn't even know about it. With me, gentle spinning, my gravity at work. Without me, topsy-turvy. Don't worry, moon gazers, you'll never be without me. I don't disappear during the day. I'm always here for Earth. You just can't see me when it's super bright out, or when it's cloudy, or when I'm on the other side of the Earth. I can prove I'm always here. Check out those ocean tides. High tide happens twice a day. Low tide happens twice a day. That's gravity again. My gravity pulling on the Earth's oceans. Do you know that? That when the tide goes high and low, it's because of the gravity from the moon. I have the best views of Earth, and Earth and I have the best views of me. But some Earthlings wanted to see me up close. I've had 12 moonwalkers and a few left footprints. Things you won't find on me: oxygen, mosquitoes, plants, animals, cows, liquid or water. Things you will find on me: rocks, really big rocks, more rocks, falcon feather, a golf ball, a hammer, and American flag. They were all left by people who visited the moon. A hammer? I feel like that's funny. So, that is a book about the moon, and we also have this little mini book that's Moon, Moon, What Do You See? And what you can do, it's in the pattern of Brown Bear, What Do You See? For you first graders, there are so many snap words on this that you can read this with your family. If you are a kindergartner and you're just learning about letters, you can maybe find the letter of your first name and find it. So the letter of my first name is Megan, so I would look for M's. If your name is Ava, you could look for A's. If your name is Jack, you could look for J's. If your name is Emmett, you could look for E's. So you have this story, and then you have this piece of paper in there. And we did a drawing of what we do when the sun is up. Now you can do what do you do when the moon is out. So think of some things that you might do when the moon is out. Maybe you get ready for bed or read a book or have dinner. So talk about that with your family and draw a picture. You can post the picture on Seesaw, and if you'd like to do a video explaining it, please do that too. Okay, have fun. Bye-bye.